I wanted to get the winter solstice. Winter solstice is what I wanted to film tonight, this morning. I wanted to get a glance of it, the winter solstice. Get a glance at everything real quick. Before anything happens, 2013, so I know that I need to get a glance of the winter solstice. Cindy. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Cindy. See the winter solstice? Don't move like that, girl. Get up there, Cindy. That's a good girl. 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 The solstice. Is it blinding the eyeballs? Oh, I know. I know. No, you don't. No, you don't.